Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I get these curls. It's very simple, very easy. Yeah, so this is a closure wig, just to let you know. And I only used the curling wand and some got2b and a brush. So yeah, just keep watching if you want to know how to get this. Not a professional. I don't really do this at your own risk basically. So let me show you the products that I'm going to use. So I'm going to be using the got2b spray, and I'm also going to be using the got2b glue, which is the black one, and I'm going to be using a curling wand. So this is kind of like just how I do my hair. So this is a curling wand. I don't know where it's from. It's called Royal Hair Styling Technology. You can see that I got this for free. It came with a set of stuff. Like they were going for college videos. I don't really know where you can get this from. Probably find it online. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. This is plugged up and it's hot, and it just only has one tool. It gets pretty hot, so you know I pretty like this. First, I'm gonna start out by brushing your hair out, and then I'm gonna take a small little section. This is good, and from the front, I'm gonna put it right underneath, and I'm going to wrap it around, kind of twisting the hair around also to make it look better. And yeah, just going to keep doing that. Sorry, you can see my wig cap. And I like to do this on my head. I try to do it on the wig, like the wig head, but it just never works out. So yeah, and I just hold this for like about 10 to 20 seconds. You know, let it go. And I hold it like this. This is very important that you hold it like this because the curls will be like more, it will hold in the heat more. And then taking your got2b spray, you're going to spray the curl just a little bit, just so it can hold the heat more. It's almost like hairspray. Your hands get a little bit messy when you do this, so just keep that in mind. And then you can drop it. And it's kind of like that. So eventually, like, when we do it, we'll like pull all the curls down and stuff, but this is how I do it. And I'll probably just speed up the video, or you know, this looks weird, but I'll probably just show you just how I just keep doing it. I literally do the same thing all over my head. Okay, now I'm just gonna go and use the curling iron just to like lay down the front. And just run, also like I ran my fingers through this a little bit, so yeah, just like run your fingers through just a little bit like that to separate the curls. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I how I like lay it down and make it look like a frontal almost. This is what it looks like. It's the finished result. You can like keep playing with it, or, like pull it down if you want, like, you know. Just anything you want to do. Let me see. Sometimes I go like right here to make like a dent that I want it to be, like right there, and then the same on this side. Be careful, you guys, please do not burn yourselves. And that, and ta-da! Ta-da, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, that's how I get the curls. Okay guys, let me know if you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you do like the video. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.